This PEMDAS question looks easy, but it's tricky. Can you solve it? If yes, comment your answer below. And if you're stuck, watch till the end. I'll show you how to solve PEMDAS problems step by step. All right. Now let me walk you through a step-by-step how to solve this expression properly.
However, it's really important to understand that multiplication and division have the same level of priority, and we must perform these two operations from left to right. So first we go for the division, then we go for the multiplication, because multiplication has a higher priority than subtraction. According to the PEMDAS rule, in this expression, first we go to the division and multiplication because these two operations have a higher priority than subtraction. And finally do subtraction.